Hey everyone, MKBHD here. Let's talk AI. It's everywhere these days, even in the world of content creation. The big question on everyone's mind, is AI coming for our jobs as YouTubers and TikTokers? It's easy to see why people are freaking out. AI can write scripts, edit videos, and even create realistic-looking humans. But hold up a second. Before you hit the panic button, let's dive deeper and uncover the real story behind AI and the future of content creation. It's true that AI is changing the game. But is it here to replace us entirely? I don't think so. Sure, AI can do some impressive things. But there's one crucial element it lacks: the human touch. Think about the creative process. It's not just about putting together a video or a post. It's about the ideas, the passion, and the unique perspective that each creator brings to the table. The emotions, the laughter, the tears, these are things that AI simply cannot replicate. It's the human experience that resonates with audiences. Behind every successful YouTube video or TikTok post, there's a story, a journey that the creator has gone through. This journey is what makes the content relatable and engaging. While AI can assist in making the process more efficient, it cannot replace the authenticity and originality that human creators bring. Collaboration is another key aspect. Creators often work together, bouncing ideas off each other and creating something that's greater than the sum of its parts. AI lacks this collaborative spirit. And let's not forget the audience. Viewers connect with creators on a personal level. They follow their journeys, celebrate their successes, and support them through challenges. This community-building aspect is something that AI cannot achieve. It's the human connection that fosters loyalty and engagement. So, while AI will undoubtedly play a significant role in the future of content creation, it's not the end for YouTubers and TikTokers. Instead, it's an opportunity to evolve and adapt. Embracing AI as a tool rather than a threat can open up new possibilities and enhance the creative process. In the end, it's the human touch, the creativity, and the connection with the audience that will continue to set creators apart. So, keep creating, keep innovating, and let's see where this exciting journey takes us. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Here's the thing about AI. It's a tool, not a replacement. Think of it like the latest smartphone camera. It's not about the camera itself, but how you use it to capture your vision. AI is the same way. It's here to enhance our creativity, not stifle it. Imagine AI as your super-powered sidekick. It can handle the tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, connecting with your audience. It can help you edit videos faster, generate fresh ideas, and even make your content more accessible to a wider audience. Let's get specific and talk about some cool AI tools already out there. For video editing, AI can help with things like automated transcription, noise reduction, and even color grading. That means less time hunched over your computer and more time creating awesome content. Then there are AI-powered idea generators. Stuck in a creative rut? No problem. These tools can analyze trends and suggest topics that resonate with your audience. And let's not forget about accessibility. AI can automatically generate subtitles for your videos, making them accessible to viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing. That's a win for everyone. Voice recognition tools are another game changer. They can transcribe your speech in real time, making it easier to create transcripts for podcasts or videos. Plus, AI can enhance audio quality by reducing background noise and balancing sound levels. When it comes to visual effects, AI can add a whole new dimension to your videos. From animating characters to generating realistic backgrounds, the possibilities are endless. AI can even help you plan your videos by generating storyboards and suggesting scene transitions. And let's not forget about analytics. AI can provide insights on viewer engagement and demographics, helping you tailor your content to your audience. It can also help you schedule your social media posts and suggest optimal posting times. Personalization is another area where AI shines. AI can create personalized content for your viewers, making them feel valued and engaged. And if you have a global audience, AI can help with translation, making your content accessible to people around the world. Imagine being able to reach viewers in different countries with content in their native language. AI can also monitor social media trends, helping you stay ahead of the curve. It can suggest viral content ideas and help you create videos that have the potential to go viral. Managing a content calendar becomes a breeze with AI. It can optimize your video titles and descriptions for better SEO, ensuring your content gets discovered. Even creating eye-catching thumbnails is easier with AI, and analyzing video performance is a snap, with AI providing detailed metrics and insights. AI can even help you engage with your viewers by responding to comments and messages. And if you're looking to promote your content, AI can generate marketing strategies tailored to your audience. It can track campaign performance and provide insights to help you refine your approach. In short, AI is revolutionizing the way we create and share content. It's breaking down barriers and making it easier for creators to collaborate and innovate. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, AI tools can help you take your content to the next level. Embrace the power of AI and watch your creativity soar. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's create something amazing together. Now let's address the elephant in the room: AI-generated content. Yes, AI can create videos, write songs, and even paint pictures. The advancements in AI technology are nothing short of remarkable. From generating intricate digital art to composing symphonies, AI has shown it can mimic human creativity in many ways. But can it replicate the raw emotion, the personal touch, the unique perspective that comes from a lifetime of human experiences? The authenticity that we humans bring to the table? Not quite. While AI can follow patterns and learn from vast amounts of data, it lacks the soul, the intuition, and the spontaneity that define human creativity. AI-generated content can feel, well, a bit robotic. It lacks the heart, the humor, the imperfections that make something truly unique. It's these imperfections that often resonate the most with us. The vulnerability that makes human-created content so relatable. When we see a human laugh, cry, or express genuine emotion, we connect on a deeper level. It's this connection that AI struggles to emulate. When you watch a video by your favorite YouTuber, you're not just consuming information, you're engaging with their personality, their story, their journey. You're not just consuming information, you're experiencing a slice of their life, their ups and downs, their triumphs and failures. You're connecting with another human being. You're sharing their experiences, their passions, their quirks. This human connection is irreplaceable and is what makes content truly engaging and memorable. That's something AI just can't replicate. While AI can assist and enhance our creative processes, it can't replace the human touch. The future of content creation lies in a harmonious blend of human creativity and AI efficiency, where each complements the other, but never replaces it. Competition or collaboration, the creator's dilemma. So is it all sunshine and rainbows? Not exactly. There's definitely a sense of competition between human creators and AI. As AI gets more sophisticated, some creators might worry about being replaced, but here's the thing, it doesn't have to be a zero-sum game. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, we can choose to embrace it as a collaborator. By incorporating AI tools into our workflow, we can level up our content, reach new audiences, and push the boundaries of creativity. Level up your content, AI-powered creators. The creators who thrive in the age of AI will be the ones who adapt and evolve. They'll embrace AI as a powerful tool for enhancing their content. They'll use AI to streamline their workflow, generate fresh ideas, and connect with their audience in new and innovative ways. Imagine using AI to analyze your audience's demographics, interests, and viewing habits. You could then use this data to create hyper-targeted content that resonates deeply with your viewers. Finding your niche in the age of AI. Now, some of you might be thinking, okay, but what about AI-driven niches? It's true that AI is creating entirely new categories of content. Think AI-generated music videos, virtual influencers, and interactive storytelling experiences. But even in these AI-driven spaces, there's still a need for human creativity. Someone needs to program the AI, train the algorithms, and curate the content. This presents exciting opportunities for creators who are willing to explore the intersection of AI and art. The future of content creation, a human-AI partnership. As we venture further into the world of AI, I believe we're heading towards a future of collaboration, not replacement. The most successful creators will be those who can harness the power of AI while staying true to their unique voices and perspectives. It's about finding that sweet spot where human creativity meets AI innovation. An AI revolution empowering, not replacing creators. So, to answer the big question, will AI replace YouTubers and TikTokers? My take, it's not a hostile takeover, but rather an evolution of the creative process. AI is here to stay, but it's not here to steal our jobs. It's here to empower us, to amplify our creativity, and to help us connect with the world in ways we never thought possible. The future of content creation is bright, and it's powered by both human ingenuity and artificial intelligence. Peace out!